Students, I am Professor P M Borade, working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Modern College of Engineering, Pune. So, today we are going to start the subject Mechatronics. So, this subject is for TE Mechanical Engineering. So, we will see the syllabus structure for this subject, that is mechatronics. So, for theory, there is in-semester exam for 30 marks, end semester exam for 70 marks, then practical and oral for 25 marks. Now, to start this, before starting this subject, the students required some prerequisites, means basic required for this subject is basic of electrical components, binary to decimal conversion, data communication module, linear algebra, Laplace transformation method, and logic gates. So these are the some prerequisite. Then there are total 6 units for this mechatronics subjects, and every unit have some course objective. So unit wise course objectives are there. So first course objective is understand the key elements of mechatronics, principles of sensors and actuators. Then second is the understand the concept of signal processing and use of interfacing system such as ADC, DAC, digital input output. And third one is understand the block diagram representation and concept of transfer function. And fourth one is the understand the system modeling and analysis in frequency domain. Fifth one is the understand the system modeling and analysis in time domain, controller modes and its industrial applications. Sixth is utilize the concept of PLC system, its bladder programming, significance of PLC system in industrial applications. Now after completion of this mechatronic course, students should able to first define the key elements of mechatronics, principles of sensor and its characteristics. CO2 is utilize concept of signal processing, make use of interfacing systems such as ADC, DAC, digital input output. Third one is determine the transfer function by using block diagram reduction technique. Fourth is evaluate poles and zero frequency domain parameter for mathematical modeling for mechanical system. Then CO5 apply the concept of different controller modes to an industrial application. And last one is the develop the ladder programming for industrial application. So this is the weightage and scheme for examination and course objective and course outcome. Now course of content, if you see, the first unit is the introduction to mechatronics, sensors and actuators. So introduction to mechatronics and its application, measurement characteristics. Again, these measurement characteristics are classified into two types, that is static and dynamic. Then sensors. So types of sensors, various types of sensors are there. Then actuators and types of actuators. So this is the first unit syllabus. So today we will start the first unit. So prerequisites required, then course objective and course outcome. Now for this first unit, student will understand the need of mechatronic system. So first topic, introduction to mechatronic system and the need of this mechatronic system. Now, what is meant by mechatronics? So mechatronics is defined as the interdisciplinary field of engineering for designing a product relies on the integration of mechanical and electronic component coordinated by control system. So in simple language, mechatronics, it is a interdisciplinary branch. It is a combination of mechanical engineering, then electronics engineering, then electrical engineering, and whole this structure is controlled by the computers, hence computer engineering also. So mechatronics is a synergetic integration of mechanical engineering, electronics, and intelligent computer control in design and manufacture of product and processes. Now, if you see the diagram, so mechatronics is an integration of these various domains, that is mechanical system, electronic system, control electronics, control system, digital system, then computers, mechanical computer aided design, then system analysis, system simulation. So these are the various domains are used in mechatronics, and it is an integration of these all domains. Next one is elements of mechatronic system. So basically the structure, the physical structure is there to measure some parameters. There are required some signals and system, then computer and logic system to control this all the signals, then to record this parameter required software and data acquisitions, and also sensors and actuators. So these are the basic elements of mechatronic system. In this unit we will focus on the sensors and actuators. So these are the most important part of this mechatronics system. Next one is, if you see the building block diagram of mechatronic system. So in any mechatronic system, this is the way to manufacture a mechatronic system or how it will work. So if you see the first element, that is external environment, then measurement and actuation module, then communication module, then CPU, output signal conditioning module, that is plotter, audio visual indication and display, then ADC and DAC amplifier, again the feedback module is there, then feedback signal is sent to the measurement and actuation module. So if you see, this is the closed loop system including the feedback signal. So if you see the elements of this mechatronic system includes actuator, sensor, signal conditioning, interfacing, bus communication, processor, software, control algorithm. Now applications of mechatronic system. So in our life, in daily life, we are using various mechatronics application. There are some gadgets which are manufactured by this or controlled by this mechatronics system. So first is the control system. So control system to measure position, level, pressure and heat control system. And robots are there to complete any task. Some robots are manufactured and these robots are also in mechatronics, that is transport and building robots. Then industrial automation, barcode system and production belts. Then building automation, security system, automatic air conditioning and automatic door systems. In home appliances, we are using washing machine, washers. These are the examples of mechatronics. Automotive, that is airbags, anti-lock braking system. In field of medical, magnetic responses, orthoscopic devices, ultrasonic probes. In field of aeronautical engineering, automatic pilots, unmanned aerial vehicles. Then image and sound processing, automatic focusing devices, sound operated devices. And last one is in production industries, there are some machines, that is CNC and ENC machines, which are the example of mechatronic system. So these are the various applications of mechatronic system. Next one is examples of mechatronic system. So autofocus camera, then robot, then washing machine, engine management system, microwave ovens, aircraft flight control and navigation system, numerically controlled machine tools, photocopiers, barcode readers. So these are the various examples of mechatronic system in various fields. Now advantages and disadvantages of mechatronic systems. So every technology has some advantages and disadvantages. So advantages of mechatronic system, so high level of integration. So it is combination or package of these various domains like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, then electronics engineering, then computer engineering and measurements and control. So these are the integration of these various domains, hence high level of integration. Then second is increase functionality and better design. So third one is the more use of electronics and softwares, multi-sensory and programs environments, then high reliability and safety, and improved and less expensive control. So these are the advantages of this mechatronic system. Disadvantages of mechatronic system: the initial cost is very high as to set up any mechatronics system. There are various elements, there are some mechanisms are there, and the initial cost of this whole structure is very high. Then the complicated design and system. So some mechatronics devices are complex, hence it is difficult to repair and maintain that devices. And last one is its replacement is difficult, that is difficult to change old system to new system. So these are the some disadvantages of mechatronic system. So if you see, the advantages are more than the disadvantages, hence nowadays the mechatronic systems are used in various fields. So we will stop here. So we just reviewed this introduction to mechatronic system and its application. In second session we will start the measurement characteristics. So generally measurement characteristics are classified into static and dynamic. Thank you.